Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow access to microphone on laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Microphone management has become increasingly important in the digital age where devices often listen to enhance user experience, whether for privacy, security, troubleshooting, or optimizing your user experience. Managing your microphone setting and learning how to enable, how to allow, or disable the microphone in Windows is vital. So how to do it if you want to manage your microphone access? It's very simple. First of all, so you can go to setting. So you can select on your Windows start menu. After that, you can go to settings. From settings, you can go to privacy and security. And from here, you can just scroll down on app permission. You can select on microphone. And from here, you can allow your microphone access. Anyone using this device can choose if their app has microphone access when this is on. You can just enable this toggle to allow your microphone, and you can let apps access your microphone. In here, you can choose on the apps that you want to allow to your microphone, like Armory Crate or Camera. You want to allow your sound recorder, Xbox. You can choose on the app that you want to allow your microphone access in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to allow your microphone access on laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.